I'm Jamilyn Aglia, and I will demonstrate how to verify the IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. To verify the IPv4 addressing, first we need to click the PC1, then command prompt. We will use the command ipconfig paste. There. It will display all the IPv4 information for the PC1. We will do the same thing for PC2. Type the ipconfig as all. There it shows the IPv4 information for the PC2. The IPv4 address for PC2 is 10.10.1.20. For the PC1, the IPv4 address is 10.10.1.100. Verify the IPv6 addressing. We will do the command ipv6 config. ipv6 config --all. Now, this is all the information for the IPv6 for PC1. The IPv6 address for PC1 is this. Now, do the same thing for PC2. IPv6 config all. And the IPv6 address for PC2 is this. Next, we need to test the connectivity of IPv4 and IPv6 using ping. To verify IPv4 connectivity from PC1, ping the IPv4 address for PC2. So type the IPv4 address of PC2, which is 10.10.1.20. Enter. Then we will do the same thing for PC2. Ping the IPv4 address for PC1. The IPv4 address for PC1 is 10.10.1.100. Then enter. As you can see from the result of the ping for PC1, it was successful. For PC2, the result was also successful. Next is to verify the IPv6 connectivity. From PC1, ping the IPv6 address for PC2. So, ping, then copy the IPv6 address of PC2, which is this. Copy, paste, then enter. And the result was successful. Then do the same thing for PC2. Ping the IPv6 of PC1, which is this. Copy, paste, enter. And the result was also successful.